Along with being one of the advisors to the TiECon leadership team for TiECon 2023, I'm also advisor to the AI track for TiECon 2023. And three of the core panels that we have basically aligned and we have basically structured exactly talk about the three top trends in artificial intelligence: generative AI, chat GPT, and related technologies, which are making a lot of waves. That is essentially about basically building large natural language models very easily and putting it with an interface that anybody can use it and get the benefits of the whole AI technology very easily with a very simple interface. That's one thing. Number two is something called MLOps, which is machine learning platform as a service. There are a lot of people who want to build their platform, want to build their products in artificial intelligence and machine learning. And the whole area of MLOps, which is basically DevOps for ML, is an amazing area where customers or data scientists can build their solutions very easily, leveraging the whole platform, starting with Amazon SageMaker, Microsoft Azure, HP Azure MLOps, multiple different products. And the third area is application of artificial intelligence for customer experience and customer success. It's a new area which is revolutionizing the way B2B industries have been run. Three top trends, and we have panels for all of the three in the AI track for TiECon 2023.
Fantastic. So you're saying if people want to know about the top trends, they might as well attend TiECon 2023. It's just happening on May 3rd, 4th, and 5th in Santa Clara Convention Center in Silicon Valley. All right. So what about people who cannot attend in person? Are there any remote options where they can log in and get a peek into what's happening?
I'm pretty sure they will have YouTube videos of the sessions later on. But I would also say that these areas of generative AI, MLOps, and application for AI for customer experience and customer success, there's enough literature out there, enough videos that you have. The key thing which I'm going to basically advise you is think about the problem you are facing, and then you can work from backwards from there to see how the problem can be solved. And I'm certainly going to make a quick pitch, not a call to action, but pitch that if you're an IITian out there, you can always join our global IIT Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning Forum. Just send me a LinkedIn invite, and I'll figure out a way to send you an invitation to join us. Active community of 1,700 IITians across the world, across every major industry, across every major geography.
The trends out there which are hot, how do I know about them? And TiECon was a place where I got all the information. Any particular field, what is the latest technology, whether it's healthcare or computing or manufacturing, I knew TiECon had some answers, and I did meet people. So it's a very validating kind of environment. So what is special about TiECon 2023? Why
See,
should
TiECon 2023 is being held after it's the first in-person event after almost 4 years, since 2019. So it will be a good chance for me to reconnect and meet personally with hundreds of people whom I have not seen for years. And typically TiECon is a place where sometimes I meet people once in a year across the industry spectrum, from venture capitalists to industry executives, friends, alumni, entrepreneurs, everybody. So it's a great chance to meet people with whom we wanted to network and connect. And our ticket prices typically are dirt cheap. In few $100s, you are there for 2.5 days.
Yes.
It's heavily subsidized by sponsorship.
And that's like a really awesome perk TiECon has. If you're a volunteer, you get access to these amazing tracks. Tell me a little bit about the roundtables and mentor connects. What should people expect from there?
Right. I've been myself a part of Mentor Connect for multiple years, starting from 2019. It's an opportunity for you to choose the mentor that you want over lunch, where you can meet with some of the known figures and based upon your interest and their availability. It builds a kind of bond in the sense that people with whom you meet over Mentor Connect, you develop a special connection with them over a period of time. And it's a very good way of giving back to the community.
So Tushar, do you do panels as well on the AI track this time? Are you doing any panels, anything
Absolutely.
exciting
So
there?
typically, when I used to be a track chair myself, I used to organize panels and sometimes participate in them. In 2018, I did a fireside chat with President of VMware, Sumit Dhawan. In 2019, I was with a major venture capitalist with whom we had worked. And similarly over the years, this year, since I'm one of the key members of the leadership team, I've left it to the track chairs, very capable people who are organizing this track, and they will probably be part of the panel. I certainly will be in the room doing the AI track, meeting and working with people. So that's the way it is, and we still strongly encourage everybody to join us.
What else is happening outside this exciting AI track? I know AI has been hot forever now. Always it's crowded, oversubscribed. What else is happening outside AI track?
So we have multiple other tracks in the area of cybersecurity, cloud computing, healthcare, manufacturing, supply chain management, Web 3.0, every field which is having an impact on the economy or trends that are kind of having disruption in the economy is being presented. You'll be amazed at the quality of track chairs we have for each of these
Yes.
tracks. They're
Yes.
industry veterans who are
Absolutely.
basically, giving their time
Yeah.
and effort to put something out there for the community
Yeah.
selflessly. And that's what makes it such a special event.
Fantastic. And also not to forget the VC Connect, the most sought after VC Connect round where you become face to face with these Silicon Valley angels who are hiding, otherwise you don't have access to them. They are
Exactly,
out in
right?
the open.
I mean, think about entrepreneurs who want to basically raise money. Not only they need to make connections with people, they also need to understand the thought process of venture capitalists, how they think, how they
Exactly.
basically work with it. I'll give you a very specific example. Naveen
Uh-huh.
Chadda, who heads Mayfield, in one
Yes.
of these talks or panels, he made a very interesting point. He said, people love to pay for medicine, not for vitamins, which means you need to figure out painkillers are not vitamins,
Yeah.
which gives you a very good idea of the kind of thought process you need to have when you want to start a company. They are
Yeah.
all beautiful things which are out there, and we love
Yeah.
to basically work with people.
And a lot of people come to TiECon for the first time. What is your like top three hacks for new attendees? So when I came to TiECon first time, somebody told me, business cards don't work. You have to go beyond that to establish a relationship. What is it that you do to be memorable to the other person? That was the one thing which remained in my mind, and I followed it through and through. Second time when I went, they said make a lot of notes, and I did. So this time, if somebody like me 4 years ago, if a first time attendee is coming, what is your
I'll,
mantra?
I'll, I'll, I'll give you a very simple mantra for the rest of your life. Okay. If you want people to remember you, make sure when you meet with them, hear their story instead of telling yours.
Oh, very good.
Everybody has a story they're dying to tell.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Fantastic.
Make
No, I love
sure,
that.
make sure you hear to their story, and that's
Wow.
the way you connect with them. Now, in that story, you can basically bring in your own stuff also, and people are willing to understand. When I
Yes.
asked you, you are from which part of India you are from, and you said Bangalore, and then we had a very nice discussion of different neighborhoods. I did mention where I lived as well,
So it's a
but the
personal connect. Yeah.
right, and be genuinely interested in people,
Yeah.
because it's one thing which you cannot go wrong with. And second, to get the most benefit of TIE is
Yeah.
to be open to learning. So I always tell people, if you want to succeed in life and do new things over a period of time,
Yeah.
your learning curve and your desire to meet with new people never goes down. If you keep on meeting new people and keep learning, you'll always be doing good.